Pisces, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. The card at the bottom of the deck is Ten of Swords, Pisces. I sense a lot of painful endings have occurred in the recent past. You might have ended things with somebody who's got Libra as one of their signs. Even Taurus could be one of them. Pisces, you've gotten out of a lot of confusion, rejection, and injustice. But every ending gives rise to a new beginning, obviously. And you are heading towards justice when it comes to relationships, daily life, and even life at your workplace. Probably there you faced a bit of injustice. Probably you were denied a promotion, or you weren't given credit for your hard work. Not that you were looking for it, you just want to be acknowledged and appreciated. Even if it's not on paper, just the fact that your people, your seniors, your colleagues just acknowledge you or appreciate your hard works is enough. Hard work is enough for you, but I think you didn't get that, and you felt really unworthy of everything in general. It just pushed you in a dark space. The same could have been the case in your relationships. Probably somebody was two timing you, and you felt that this was really unfair on their part. But this person, whoever did this to you, especially when it comes to your romantic relationships, Pisces, this person wants to come back to you and offer you a new beginning. But you haven't forgotten the pain that you went through. They want you to forget about whatever happened in the past and start afresh. But it's going to take a while for you, Pisces, because they don't understand what they went through, and they don't even understand how their little actions could have huge impacts on your mental health. Right now, you're taking time to sit silently and contemplate. Pisces, you could be dealing with a Gemini person or another Pisces person, but whoever this person is who wants to offer you this new beginning when it comes to love may not have changed completely. They might have certain secrets that you would want to know in the long run. So make sure you do your research, get your information about this person, and only then take a step forward. I do see a union with somebody from your past, but this love has to have a certain amount of practicality attached to it. Otherwise, you will end up getting hurt, Pisces. Somebody could have been juggling you with somebody else. That's not fair. Definitely somebody from your past coming back to offer you this new beginning. But have they really changed? This could be somebody you've studied with or have gone to work with. You've got the Six of Cups twice. This is your confirmation that this person already knows you. You already know this person. Could be a Virgo that you're dealing with. But Pisces, make sure you get a lot of information about this person. Don't take any hasty decisions. You've got the Ten of Swords again, the bottom of the deck, and that was also at the bottom of the deck. You've come out of painful times, and if this person was responsible for all that pain, do you really want to give them another chance? It's all up to you, Pisces. Make sure you take a proper decision. Let's see some extra messages for you, Pisces. These may or may not be directly related to your tarot. Take them however they resonate with you. Yeah, you've got the Book card. The number 10 and 26 could be really important because you've got 10 twice. 9 is important, 5 is important, 6 is important. Even the number 2 is important. Just be careful, Pisces. Get more information about this person. Abundance. Believe in yourself, Pisces. A new dawn. The worst is now behind you, and positive new experiences are on the horizon. Renewal of peace. Number 13 could be important to some of you. Bringing the unconsciousness to light. Getting rid of secrets. Bringing information to light. Have a heart-to-heart conversation with this person and see what they are trying to hide. Read between the lines, Pisces. Only you can watch out for yourself. Nobody else is going to do that for you. The end of a tough cycle approaches. You've got one full moon. A Capricorn person could be important. A time to give rather than take. A Virgo person could be important. Don't let the past hold you back. Step out of your comfort zone, and prosperity lies ahead. Yes, prosperity and abundance card. A Taurus person could be important. You've got one full moon and two new moons. Major new beginnings coming your way. You will be getting that appreciation you always wanted at work. Somebody will see your potential and appreciate you for that. Energy flows where my intention goes. Pisces, the moment you let go of the past, so by letting go of the past, don't let go of the lessons you learned, but let go of the pain that you went through in order to learn those lessons. And approach everything with a positive and a practical mindset, Pisces. Sometimes we get so swayed away by emotions that the practicality goes out of the window and we end up getting hurt. So don't let that happen, Pisces. I'd like to dedicate this beautiful jade download for you. I hope you get the clarity and the peace that you are longing for. And I hope and I pray that the year 2021 treats you with utmost love, kindness, and respect, and gives you a million reasons to smile, Pisces. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Thank you. Bye.